In a world where wishes swirl like leaves in a playful whirlwind, the Rose Gaia Guardians invite you to explore your hopes and dreams. Zen Panda stands at the edge of a sparkling, swirling vortex. "What do you wish for?" he asks, his wise eyes sparkling. The wind carries whispers of children's dreams. Some wish for adventure, others for friendship, or the courage to be themselves. Zen Panda continues, "When you make a wish, it's important to know why you want it. Let's think deeply. What feeling does your wish bring?" As the vortex spins, children are challenged to identify emotions tied to their dreams. They realize that every wish holds a story. Luna, the sky explorer phoenix, flutters nearby, encouraging them to embrace the journey of achieving their dreams. "Sometimes wishes come true when we work hard and believe in ourselves," she chirps. The challenge is to see what it takes to turn a wish into reality. As the whirlwind slows, each child reflects on their dreams, feeling empowered. Remember, every wish can lead to growth. To understand the subtle codes of the universe that inspire transcendental thinking and empower every child, subscribe to Rose Gaia and tap the bell.